Hi, at ReasonLabs we provide enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. Today I'm going to guide you on how to activate Trust Protection and choose your Trust Protection level. As you can see, RAV Endpoint Protection is already installed and protecting your device. Trust Protection level is a feature that allows you to select the most advanced protection for your computer. You can choose between two levels of protection. Normal level for essential antivirus protection, and strict level for a strict rugged protection layer that detects and blocks unsigned files from harming your PC. In order to choose and activate the Trust Protection level feature, follow these steps. First, click Settings on the menu bar. You can find it in the lower left corner of your application screen. Next, go to the Advanced tab and select Trust Protection level. Depending on your preference, select either Normal or Strict protection levels. You're all set. If you have any question regarding this or any other feature, please contact us via the Help widget, and one of our customer support representatives will be happy to assist. Thank you for watching. Stay cyber safe.